this video, I will show you exactly 2 ways that you can scan a QR code on the iPhone. The first option may be that you just find it in somewhere outside of your phone, like you have to use the camera. So I'm going to talk about that, and also how to take or scan the QR code which appears on the screen. So in case it applies to your camera, I mean you use your camera normally, well for that you need to have it turned on in the settings. So open up the settings like this and make sure that you go to the camera section. So scroll down a bit and here is the camera. Now at the top you have the video resolution and stuff like that, but at the bottom you have the scan QR codes, which is very important. This is what we are interested in. So definitely just make sure that this option, that the toggle is green right here. So you want to make sure that the scan QR code is actually turned on, because without that your iPhone will simply not have the option to scan it. But this is not the only thing. Of course, the second option is that you come across an actual QR code which appears on your screen, right? So in this case, what you can do is to open up Safari or just get to wherever you have that QR code, and in this case, just for example, take a screenshot like this. This screenshot is going to be saved to the photos. So I'm going to open up the photos like this and open up this image right here. And as I have it opened up, at the bottom right here, we have this little button which is for the live text. Now when I click on that, it just turns every single text into a copyable text, which I can click on, so I can copy, for example, the text images or videos or whatever. But I can also click on the QR code. So when I click on it, I can literally read the URL or whatever is linked or hidden behind that QR code, and I can open it in Safari or copy the link or whatever I want. So for example, this was just the link to, or the QR code linked to Wikipedia. That's just an example, but that's how you need to do it. But there is a problem. It doesn't have to work all the time, because when it doesn't, you have to make sure that the live text is actually available and turned on. So what you have to do is to basically go to the settings again and open up the general section and go to the language and region for whatever reason. Don't ask me why, but for whatever reason it is in here. So you can see like a bunch of different stuff like region, calendar, temperature, the measurement stuff that you may actually want to do in here, like language and region. And for whatever reason, like out of place completely is here the live text. So you also want to make sure that this is turned on, because otherwise it simply is just not going to be functional. Your iPhone will not read any text nor the QR codes. So something to pay attention to, something to keep in mind, and that's going to be the wrap up. But before we continue or with the next video, I need to show you this thing which I've been working on, which is the Foxtecc educational platform. You can join it for free. It's linked down below in the description, and the whole purpose of this is to make sure that you use your iPhone properly, because you're not doing it. I can guarantee that you're not using your iPhone to the fullest potential. So in here, you're going to be able to find some video editing courses, for example, in-depth guides for example, App Store or whatever else you have. Just more stuff being added as we speak. So definitely something for you to check out. Link is down below. It's free to access. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks all for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next tutorial.